Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a vitamin and supplement video. So let's get started. So what I wanted to do is show you guys the haul that I get for my vitamins and supplements. I only buy certain vitamins and supplement now. I don't buy everything under the sun like when I go to the store. If you ever been to like Walmart or anything like that, you'll notice they have a rack of vitamin and supplement to choose from. There's so many other protein, greens, reds, all of that. It just gets overwhelming. What I decided to do is limit myself to certain vitamins and supplements that I know I would be deficient in, or I know that I need to add to my food for the day to make sure that I'm staying healthy to do the work that I need to do. So what I wanted to do guys was show you a big haul that I usually do, and I only do this about 2 to 3 times a year depending on my needs, because I get vitamins and supplements for me and my sister, as well as when they're having amazing discounts. Can't miss out on those because of how expensive it is to actually buy them. So I will do a haul. So today I wanted to show you guys the recent haul that I did with everything I've got. By the way, I want to make sure guys to know that this is not sponsored. I use iHerb all the time. That's where I get majority of my vitamins and supplements. So that's why I'm always telling you guys about it. This is products that I bought with my money and I always buy them. So let me show you guys what I got. I wanted to show you guys my big box from iHerb. This is pretty much the big box that I get when I order, because I order so much in the type of vitamins and supplements that I get. So one of my famous things I've ordered now for the past couple of years is my collagen. I always get this collagen, the California Golds. Great vitamin, great collagen to get. It's the marine type, so that helps me so much. I notice when I do take it, when I don't take it, a big difference between how I feel and how I look. Collagen is about $32 a box, so that's not too expensive. It's about half the size of the greens. Very expensive supplement, but I always think the price I put on my health is how healthy I'm gonna be, so I invest in that. This is an investment. That's how I look at it. The next things I started getting, I bought this a while ago, had to cut back on it because it is more of an expensive side, but I did get this Paradise Greens supplement. Now this supplement is amazing. It is on the expensive side, guys. When I say expensive, this supplement average out is about $72 per box when you buy it, but it does have about 112 servings on there, so it does average out to a good amount. I will purchase that. That's why I say, guys, whenever they have discounts or savings, you can go ahead and take advantage of that, get a discount on these expensive products. The next thing I buy, guys, is multivitamins. Again, I get Paradise is a good one. Multivitamin, I get it with iron. There is one without iron, so if you don't need the iron like I do, pick that one and use it. I noticed that multivitamin, my body doesn't get used to it really quick, and I can afford to stay on it, let's say for a 6-month period, and then switch to something else and then go back on it. So I really love it. Now, something I recently started adding not too long ago to my supplements is my blood builder. That blood builder, I absolutely love it. Before I started taking this, my hair wasn't growing that much. I didn't notice that much different in my skin. I had no energy, and I used to always have to cover up socks 24/7. So I noticed that even as much as I ate, as much as I changed my diet, I did need something like the blood builder. So that's been added in. And they do have different size for all these vitamins for the blood builder. Like I bought the biggest size they had because, again, I get that for me and my sister. So it's kind of like half and half. There's about 180 in it, so we get 90 each. We get it for a good little period of time. Now with the blood builder, guys, I don't take that every day of the week. I'll take it, let's say, for a month straight. I notice I'm doing really good, but once I notice I'm getting too overheated, I'm not feeling too good, I'll dial back on it, take it, stay for 1 week, don't take any, take it 2 days a week, the rest of the 5 days don't take anything. So definitely make sure that you're not overtaking anything. Guys, I'm not a licensed profession, I'm not a doctor. If you do need medical advice, definitely suggest you go to your licensed professional, your doctor first, ask them about any vitamins, just pull them up, tell them what's in it, and see how that works for you. So make sure that you're doing that before you go and run and take any of these. Now the next thing that I did get, guys, was a vitamin D. I work at home now where I don't have a lot of time to always go outside, so I'm inside the house a lot of the time, so that's something I'm not going to take every day. So these are basically the vitamins and supplements that I get from iHerb. I do have a couple little things that I do add. My bamboo powder, I do take that, but I always get that on Amazon. I will have the link for you down below of the exact bamboo powder I take. I've been taking that for a couple of years now. I love it. It's definitely a plus to take the bamboo with the collagen for me. So take it how it works for you, but I take those together. I notice my vitamins, I do have to fix them depending on how I feel and what I'm doing. Like in the morning, I will take my multivitamin with my breakfast. Makes a big difference on my energy for the day. And I will wait a little bit midday when I'm having like lunchtime to take my blood builder when I am taking that. And before I go to sleep, I'll take my bamboo and collagen together and go to sleep then to get everything to reboot back. And whenever I'm getting the bamboo powder on Amazon, I'll usually order about 2 bags of it. One bag is $21. Usually on average it costs me on Amazon. Now on iHerb, whenever I do this haul, it does cost me between $250 to $600. So it is very expensive. But again, that's why I only do this 1 to 2 to 3 times a year, depending on discount. Now, last time they were having a discount on iHerb and it was 20% off the entire stall altogether. The box I got it for under $300, which I was so excited about. So whenever they're having great discounts like that, especially when you're ordering more of the expensive stuff, that percentage goes a long way. So it knocks off a lot of the money. So I was excited. This is a great time to stock up if you're like me. Definitely make sure, guys, you check dates. Whenever a store is having discounts or clearance, I definitely check the dates. Not only make sure they haven't expired, but also to see how long you're going to be able to use them. Because if you're buying stock like me, it's 2 people in my household using that product. So we do use it twice as fast. So we can look at the dates and see how long it's going to take for us to use it up. Because you don't want to buy $250 worth of product and then a month from now they all expire because you didn't get to use them. So make sure that you're looking at those dates. First thing I do is I crack that box open, look at all the expiration dates on there. So to make sure that I don't need to send anything back. I've never had that issue with iHerb, even when they're having big clearance, but definitely when I go into the stores as well, make sure you check your Amazon products when you order them. But when I go to the store, sometimes they're having major clearance, it's because the product's about to expire. So make sure you check that just in case, because you never know. I'm going to show you guys everything, show you all the pricing, everything, how much it costs, the total pricing for you guys, how much it all was for me to order the things that I did. And also what I'm going to do, guys, is have my link for you down below. If you like to help my channel out, go ahead, click that link down below and order your iHerb product. If you're a new customer, iHerb actually gives you discounts for being a new customer and ordering with them. Plus, the cool thing about iHerb is everything you order, as long as it's $20 or more, is free shipment. If you're a Prime member like me, whenever I order anything, it's free shipment. I don't pay for it. I don't have a minimum that I pay because I'm a Prime member. So I can just order that bamboo powder for $21 and get 1 package sent to my home for free. And most of the time, I get it overnight or in a few days. So these are pretty much my supplements that I take, guys. I don't try to do a lot of supplements. I try to do a lot of juicing, veggies, greens, fruit, just get my body as much as nutrition with those as possible. And then I'll go ahead and these are supplements, guys. They're add-ons. They're not to replace your food. Always remember that. But definitely invest in some good ones, some ones that are going to work, that are going to feed your body and help you stay healthy and strong as you age, because you can't do anything about aging, guys, but you definitely can help the process with keeping your body as healthy as possible. And the way you do that is by feeding it the nutrition it needs. So I want to say, guys, if you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up for me. Helps my channel out a lot. And I do want to say, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below if you have any suggestions, any vitamins, anything that you take, or any natural remedies that you do that could help boost your body even more without taking as much supplement, if any at all. Definitely comment down below and let us know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.